now be teaching you guys how to create an origami house. You would need a square piece of paper and some markers. Fold the origami paper in half. Unfold it, then fold it in half again in the other direction. So the two folded lines cross. Make sure to crease all the folded lines. Turn it around so the flaps face you. Take the right side and fold it inward towards the center folded line. Crease it and do the same on the other side. Open the flaps. Open the flaps up. On the right side, open it up and slowly push until it forms a triangle on the top. You can ask your parents or siblings for help. I recommend using 2 of your fingers at the same time to create that little triangle on the top. Readjust if needed. We are going to do the same on the opposite side. Open the flaps up, push up until the top forms a triangle again. Again, you should crease the top of the triangle. Time to decorate! I'm just drawing some basic designs such as a door and a window. I added more windows on the other side, but feel free to have your own creativity. You can also draw some flowers and floral designs. I drew some grass with flowers, and it had vines dropping down from it. You can also add designs to the windows by adding curtains. You can fold the right flaps back together to create a garage. Or you can continue adding windows on that side as well. It's all up to your own creativity. You can create the garage by drawing rectangles inside. I added another window on top. And that's how to create an origami house.